motherfucker just sprayed me in a way that I can't even speak right now, but okay. I stay on a spot on the other side of a parking lot. Oh man. Anyway, a vehicle just pulled up right next to my spot, and I just heard the sound of like air releasing, and as soon as that happened, I saw like weird like waves in the air, and now I feel like my heart's racing, and I could barely breathe. And obviously, this was just a fucking another deliberate attack. But this one was really bad though. So I guess knowing that there's no mistake about it, this guy really did just release something into the air. Let's go and talk to him. Let's just see what happens. Okay. Hey buddy. What did you just release in the air? I'm having trouble breathing, and I heard a sound of air releasing. That sound.
Yeah, it's an air compressor.
But why is it hard for me to breathe now? Why am I shaking?
I have no idea, dude.
But you don't know? You don't know why that would affect me like this? Why am I shaking like that?
I have no idea, bro. Are you on drugs?
No. It happened right after you let go of that air.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Like, but
What am I doing?
all that is just air. You want to record me and try to like come up on money and sue me or something?
No, I just want to know why this is happening.
I have no idea, dude.
Why did you release the air brake right now? You were braking?
I didn't release anything.
I thought you said it was the air brake.
Yeah, the truck does it on its own.
It just does it randomly?
No, it does it automatically. When the air brakes,
But why did you need a brake right here?
because I'm picking up my mom's car, bro. Leave me alone.
Leave you alone?
Yeah, you're the one that's coming up to me, bro.
You just attacked me.
How did I attack you?
Whatever you released on me, man. What was that air?
Dude, get away from
What was in
me,
that air?
bro. Your zipper's undone. You look like you're on drugs. Get the fuck away from me.
Yeah, because I was minding my own business before you just fucking gassed me with some shit.
Alright, whatever, buddy.
I could see the air, like it fucking...
Yeah, you can see air. Yeah, that's cool, bro. Cool story.
Who paid you to do this? Who paid you to come here and do this? What's your name? What's your name, man? What's your name? What's your name?
Get away from me.
What's your name, bro?
Get away from me.
What's your name? What's your company? What company do you work for?
It's on the truck.
See no fucking license plate? You got no license plate. What do you know? Oh wait, there it is. So that was automatic just now? It just automatically did it again? Just automatic. That was automatic too? That's automatic also, I guess. I guess that one was automatic. I wish I could prove that the effects from that were immediate and drastic. Like I can hardly breathe. Man, I don't understand who these people are and how they train them to just deny so well. How could they not expect someone to start asking questions, though? How could they not expect people to start speaking up when that happens to them. Now, for anyone that's watching and that doesn't know the situation, I'm not able to record 24/7, but if I did, I would be able to prove that there's a constant like parade of cars that pull up to the parking spot on the other side of the fence where my spot is, and they're constantly revving their engine, letting their exhaust run, idling, playing music loud, laughing like in a real aggressive, like kind of scary way. The car alarms in that spot specifically go off. A couple days ago, the car alarms were going off at least like 20 times. It was just like one after another. It's also the most popular parking spot now since I've been staying here, and literally they just come in and out and in and out and in and out all day long right there, as if like I'm some kind of like tourist attraction. It's really a fucked up scene. I wish I could show you guys like what the effects of that stuff is. I'm gonna start being more proactive. It's really hard for me to record all the time, but I'm gonna start trying. One of these trucks is gonna do it though.